Have you ever been watching a television show or something and you hear amazing sound effects? Well, with the Oafmeal sound effect creator, you can use sound effects on anything, such as a Pokeball, Reshiram, a guitar, or even a Hummer. And the Oafmeal sound effects only costs about $39.99. That's right, you'll be getting a free value for just $39.99. So call now. You just gotta call this number. 17. Oh wait, it's too late. Well, that offer expired. So if you guys wanted that, well, it's not available anymore. So that is it. But yeah, you can also visit our website, 1-800, not a real website, 800.org.